up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, I am so glad that you are here. So for today's video, this is my first get ready with me video on my channel. So it is a 3-in-1 get ready with me. You'll be watching me do my hair, accessories, and outfits. Usually get ready with me's include makeup, but I don't know how to do makeup. Just go back and look at my makeup videos. So if you are interested in watching me get ready, make sure that you stay until the end, and don't forget to leave me a comment and a huge like, and make sure that you're subscribed and turn on those post notifications so that you are notified each and every single time that I post. So let's get into the video. So you guys are watching me take down my twist out. I will have a detailed twist out video in the next couple of weeks coming, so stay tuned for that. Pretty much what I do is I spray my hair with a little bit of water. I don't like taking my hair down when it's too dry or when it's too wet. And then I use some oil. I was using some tea tree oil to put on my fingertips and to put on my palms, just to make sure that, you know, I get oil in my hair when I am taking it down. This wasn't my worst twist out, but it wasn't my best because it was actually too wet. It didn't dry that much overnight. I should have just not sprayed it because it wasn't as dry as I thought it was. So yeah, that's pretty much what you are watching me do. I add a little more oil to my hands as I take out the twist. So I just take the twist down, and then I slowly pretty much just I slowly break up the twist as I go. So right now y'all see me taking my afro pick and just picking at the roots. Like I said, y'all, this isn't my worst twist out, but it isn't my best. My hair was a little too wet, and when my hair is too wet, then that means that my hair is too frizzy. So like I said, if y'all want to see like a real tutorial of how I do my twist out, just make sure that you stay tuned, because I definitely did better when I filmed it the second time. But I mean, it's decent. It's, you know, it just doesn't have as much definition as I would like it to. But yeah, this is the hair part. So in a minute, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the accessories part. Okay, so this is pretty much a little collection of my gold jewelry. So these are pieces of jewelry that I would wear for like a date night or a girls' night out. The theme of this get ready with me is Valentine's Day, so it doesn't really matter if you are going out with your significant other or with friends or by yourself. I think that these pieces are so classic. Gold complements literally any and every outfit. The first two necklaces, the one with the rose and the 96 on it, and then the gold link necklace, I got that from Pretty Little Thing, and I got the 96 one from Pretty Little Thing, and then this African pendant, and then the 9 West watch, I got both from Amazon. So the jewelry looks expensive, but I promise you it is far from expensive, okay? So next up, we have a couple of pair of shoes. The first pair of boots I got from Shein. The second pair of heels I got from Plato's Closet, but they are H&M heels. And these tan heels I got from Boohoo. And then the boots all the way on the far right, I either got them from Forever 21 or H&M. I don't remember. So these are the perfect heels because black and nude go with everything. I have closed-toed and open-toed shoes because it is freezing in Memphis right now, and I know other places it may not be as cold. So you have two different options and you have two different colors to go with the outfits that I'm about to show you guys next. So yeah, they're pretty simple shoes, you know, nothing too extravagant because I'm not really a heels girl, but these are perfect options if you're like me. You don't really have many heels, so these are perfect. So for the first outfit, it is this blazer dress. Y'all, look at how gorgeous this blazer dress is. Now, it's a little tight on me. I've gained a little bit of quarantine weight, but you can always wear this dress as just a regular blazer. But in this clip, I'm wearing it for the reason that I bought it for, as a dress. So this is like if you're going to like a super fancy restaurant, like if you're doing it up, you know. So I haven't had the chance to wear this yet, but I think it's perfect for a night out. This is an outfit that you want to wear when you're trying to be super bougie, super classy, you know, super shiny or whatever. So yeah, I love this outfit because it's just so gorgeous. So for this next outfit, it's a little more chill, a little more dressed down. I would definitely wear it with the tan heels that I showed you guys earlier. I got the top from Fashion Nova as well as the pants. The top is a little tighter than what I would like it to be, but it's okay. So this outfit is still girly. I feel like the pants make it a little more dressy. I love these pants. They are the perfect fit. They are super comfortable. I think I got them in a size medium or a size 8, either way. I think these are perfect for like a Valentine's Day activity or whatever, because overall this outfit is really comfy. So it's perfect for whatever you want to do, you know, whatever time of day, whether it be brunch or dinner or you know, late at night. It's very comfortable and cute. So for this outfit, I think it's more appropriate for the weather. I love this turtleneck. It is so comfortable, and these pants I got from Pretty Little Thing. I got the blazer dress from Pretty Little Thing, if I didn't mention that earlier, but the turtleneck is an H&M turtleneck, but I got it from Plato's Closet, and then I paired this outfit with the gold jewelry. And yeah, I think this outfit is like very flirty, but at the same time it's very warm, comfortable. I would pair this outfit with a pair of boots. This is perfect for Valentine's Day. I feel like animal print is such like a flirty type of print, so I think that any type of animal print is, you know, perfect for a date night or a girls' night out, or you know, any type of occasion like that. So for this last outfit, it is, you know, pretty simple, but I think that the chocolate satin shirt just dresses it all the way up. The jeans are casual, but the shirt takes it to another level. I got the shirt from Missguided, and if you haven't watched my chocolate haul part 2, make sure that you check that out to get the details on this shirt. I got it from Missguided. The pants are H&M, and I paired it with the African pendant that I showed you guys earlier. And yeah, I love this little outfit because you don't have to like try too hard, but the satin look of this top just makes it all the more dressy. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment and a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those post notifications so that you are notified each and every single time that I post. Let me know what your favorite outfit is, and let me know if you have any Valentine's Day plans and what you are going to wear. Just make sure that you guys are staying safe. And if you haven't, make sure that you check out my Valentine's Day lookbook video if you need any last minute Valentine's Day inspo. And I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Happy Valentine's Day, y'all. Bye.